Hi there. Well, today's guest is someone special because she's not just a speaker, but she's also a very good friend of mine and surprisingly, my one of the very first Pune's client. जब मैं पुणे शिफ्ट हुआ था, so she was one of my first clients. Now she is a tarot card reader. तो मैं personally इतना believe नहीं करता हूँ, but I'm not a non-believer. So I'm very excited for today's session. So it's gonna be fun. Please last तक वीडियो देखना and I need your support for this. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's free of cost. And please watch the video till the end. Thank you. Okay. So welcome Rashmi.
Yes, hi.
और hello. So पहले तो मैं हमारे सभी देखने वालों को बता दूंगा कि रश्मि पहले मेरी क्लाइंट है, उसके बाद में फ्रेंड है, because she was one of my first clients when I started my personal training in Pune.
Yeah.
So yes, उस हिसाब से भी welcome as a client also.
Yes,
Alright.
thank you.
Okay, so पहला एक personal question that I really have is, और I guess बहुत से लोगों को ये question है कि exactly tarot card reading होता क्या है?
Okay, so basically tarot card reading is something which is based on energies. जैसे कि what are your current energies या फिर आपके future में क्या हो सकता है. I won't say it's a prediction. Take it as a guidance always. Whatever I tell you, you should take it as a guidance because आपका karma is also something which matters the most.
Okay, because I genuinely feel like मुझे ऐसा feel होता था कि ये prediction है this सब.
Correct.
Because I felt it like 10 second पहले तक मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि prediction है.
Correct. See, I can predict it, but again, if you are not working on it, it's not going to help you.
Okay.
For example, if the cards are showing me कि you are going, आप successful होने वाले हो, but आप कुछ काम ही नहीं कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे बैठे हो बस, then how will you be successful?
Correct.
So karma plays the ultimate role. That's what I believe.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. So next question I had was कि like this since this is a fitness segment, तो आप जब टैरो का रीडिंग करते हो,
Correct.
so क्या आपके पास ऐसा कोई आता है who wants to know about their health and well-being या fitness related कुछ questions?
बहुत आते हैं.
Can you give an example?
For example, I had a patient, I mean a client जिनको बहुत issues थे when it came to her mental health, also when it came to her physical health.
Okay.
जैसे कि she was not able to recover from certain issues, certain health issues. So she was very curious to understand कि कब recover होगा, is she going on the right path and all.
Okay.
So people are more concerned about health as well. या फिर family के health के बारे में पूछते हैं, माँ पापा का कैसा होगा and all.
Okay. And after taking some steps, like do you suggest them any steps also for that?
For health, if I be very honest, I don't get into proper details because ultimately it's not in my ethics to share certain things when it comes to health, and also I'm not the professional person to guide them on it. But of course, I do tell them to do certain things जैसे कि meditation हो सकता है, yoga practice हो सकती है, do some workout if they seem to be very stressed out constantly.
Okay. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा था लाइक अभी तक ऐसा कोई आया है जो एक नॉन बिलीवर था and then after the session he's come like twice or thrice to you कि okay now I completely believe in this, so what was that experience and if you could share?
Yes, there are many people like जो neutral कि हाँ मुझे कुछ तो try करना है इसलिए वो आते हैं, then they give it a shot. Then when initially I check कि energies क्या है आपके, then they feel कि yes I feel resonated.
Okay.
Then they become more curious. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके लिए मैंने कहा था कि आपकी शादी इस टाइम से टाइम पीरियड में हो सकती है and they are into that process.
Okay.
So they come back again. Like I do have clients who do come constantly and take readings after 1 or 2 months.
Okay.
Because it does come true at times.
Alright. Have you by chance like any time encountered ऐसा कोई fitness related thing कि आपको हार्ट रिलेटेड कोई इशू है एंड देन वो आपने डायग्नोज कर लिया, डायग्नोज इफ इट्स द करेक्ट वर्ड, एंड देन इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी ट्रू, सो ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस है अभी तक?
Yes, एक client थी, so she was more concerned about her mom's health, and she just asked me कि उनका health कैसा होगा. So in the cards, I just sensed कि probably she has some BP issues, high blood pressure या फिर diabetes issues. And I asked her, and she was like, "Yes, you're right. Abhi, she is on the medication, and her BP and her sugar levels were on higher side."
Okay. Okay, that's
Yep, वो आया है.
nice. That is something new. Well, honestly, now, like when I see someone into tarot card reading and crystals and everything, I have a lot of questions. And I see that you are also wearing a few of them. So, can you please
Yes.
tell what is that?
So basically, I'm wearing carnelian and clear quartz.
Okay.
This crystal, carnelian crystal, is carnelian crystal. This is mostly used for confidence, and this is a clear quartz. We also call it as spatik. So
Okay.
basically, it gives us more clarity.
Okay.
Like, let's say if I feel confused at times, if I'm not able to come on particular decision, then clear quartz helps me more to get more clarity कि सच में मुझे ये करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, or what should be my move. And carnelian is mostly for people who are also laid back at times. I am someone who procrastinates a lot कि करूँ या ना करूँ, बाद में करते हैं. तो to get that momentum, this crystal can be used.
Right. अब मैंने ऐसा सुना है कि अगर आप कोई क्रिस्टल पहनते हो, so and if you are not supposed to wear that, so there are some like उल्टा इफेक्ट हो जाता है उसका. जैसे अगर आप कोई
Correct.
मेडिसिन ले रहे हो and you are not supposed to take that medicine,
Correct.
so it gives you a reaction. So if I am not supposed to wear anything, so ऐसा कुछ होता है उसके अंदर?
See, if I be very honest, crystals में कोई side effects नहीं है because crystals are much more helpful. But when it comes to gemstones, you should always consult the astrologer because ultimately, what are your planetary positions or what suits you the most is being understood in astrology.
Okay.
And on the planetary position and many other things. So if you wear certain wrong gemstones, it can lead your life into certain other direction.
Okay.
हाँ,
Now
थोड़ा
one
गड़बड़ हो
final
सकता
question
है.
कि अभी जैसे आपने gemstones पहने,
हाँ.
now quite honestly I have seen a lot of them into the market recently.
Yes.
जैसे अभी अगर आप गोवा भी जाते हो तो
हाँ.
वहाँ it is freely available, like मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा easily available है.
Correct.
And at that time I have this question कि if this is so powerful and it is so easily accessible and available, तो इसको मतलब authenticity का कुछ रहता है या फिर ये इतना easily सच में available रह सकता है?
Honestly, authenticity का अगर हम बात करते हैं तो it's like we need to check it, of course. Mostly if I talk about gemstones, there are certain dealers या फिर आपको certification भी आता है for gemstones because they are on a costlier range. जैसे कि 10K, 20K, 50K, 1 lakh, lakhs में भी मिलते हैं gemstones. But for crystals also, there are people who give you certification lately. So you should always search कि कहाँ से ले रहे हो rather than directly buying it from market. You can always go to some kind of a healer या फिर the person who sells it.
Okay. All right. Now just if it is possible, okay, can you give some suggestions to our viewers कि if there is any crystal that they can wear for their well-being of fitness या wellness, ऐसा कुछ जो एक generalized सभी ने पहना तो चलता है?
See, honestly, crystals are fine with everybody. When it comes to doing certain workout या फिर जो लोग बहुत आलसी है who are always procrastinating कि day one होगा, आज जाऊंगा, कल जाऊंगा, you can wear carnelian so that you can get that boost or motivation. That's what I can say. So yeah, this will help you more, carnelian.
Okay. That was really, really amazing, Rashmi.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any message कि if you go to a tarot card reader or what is going on in the industry or anything related to your industry that you would like people to know?
Yes, of course. So basically, I would like to tell all of you guys that let's say अगर आप health के regarding कुछ भी पूछते हो, it can be your tarot reader, it can be your astrologer, anybody. Just make sure you are taking it as a guidance and you are not taking stress of it. Probably they might tell you कि आपको heart के issues है या फिर आपको sugar के issues, you might end up getting diabetes and all. So rather than getting into panic mode, make sure you're working on your fitness there. You're taking proper guidance via some coach how you can maintain your lifestyle and your nutrition part rather than getting into panic attacks.
Correct. Because I have also honestly seen many people who go to wrong professionals.
Correct.
मतलब कि प्रॉब्लम यहाँ नहीं है कि कोई प्रोफेशनल कोई गलत एडवाइस दे रहा है, प्रॉब्लम यह है कि हम गलत प्रोफेशनल के पास गलत क्वेश्चन लेके जाते हैं.
करेक्ट. या फिर वो थ्रेटन भी करते हैं कि घबरा देते ही आई विल थ्रेटन यू कि ऐसा ऐसा हो जाएगा
Okay.
rather than getting into panic mode go to some doctor consult क्या क्या measures ले सकते हो take some help of some fitness coach and all that will be a good idea.
Correct. Fitness coach, yeah. All right. So, okay, just to ask, can we do a quick tarot card reading for myself?
Yes, I was about to say it. Like, let's do it and let's see how it goes. So I have got my deck as well.
Okay. Honestly, I have never done this, and to be fair, okay, not too much of, मतलब मैंने कभी ऐसा पता नहीं but I don't have that much of belief. है?
It's okay.
But okay, I'll
I
come
understood.
neutral. I'll come neutral.
It's like neutral thing.
Yeah.
Let's do a general read first. Is it like you are having too many expenses on your plate right now? You are over, like ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो कि over expenses है. Also, your creative side is very much active right now. You are into a zone where you want to lead. You want to be the leader. You do not want to be under anyone's control. You're trying to lead people into a better direction. That's what the cards are showing up. Also, the cards are showing that probably you are a person or you are a partner who is very emotional. Like, let's say if your partner gets into panic mode, you'll always take care of her. You'll always pamper her or take her outside or something of this sort. Are you going आप नेटिव प्लेस में जा रहे हो क्या औरंगाबाद में in recent times? Yeah, so the cards are showing that as well. This card shows that you are going to your native place and you're meeting your loved ones. So that was your general energy check. You have any questions?
If anyone is wanting to consult to her and has a budget issue, I'll pay. Honestly, DM me on Insta, I'll pay. Because word to word, it was correct. It was word to word correct.
Glad.
Seriously?
It does comes right. I mean, at times आ जाता है बहुत सही वाला.
And this was really unplanned because I just thought of this कि like because I'm just starting my YouTube तो ये करके देखते हैं और ये exactly word to word सही है. 16th को मैं औरंगाबाद जा रहा हूँ. I am trying to lead. We are trying to start up our own management company. Spoiler alert. And I am right now emotional. Money wala part is also correct. Let's get it. Guys, please follow Rashmi, आपका Insta ID.
Yeah, so my Insta ID is Rashmi_tarot reader.
Umang Gangapurkar. मैं मत करो follow. Please follow her. You need to follow her. And if you have a doubt, you should just visit her. खत्म करते इसको like करो, subscribe करो, बस खत्म करो. Thank you. खरंच?
ते रैंडम होता ना.
Ow. दुखता है.